Hello guys, welcome to another Gunpla review. Today, we are going to be reviewing the LH Gats X103 Hailbuster Gundam. What a long name that is, I'm surprised they can fit it on the box. So, this is the Hailbuster Gundam. I mean, obviously the only... Yeah, crap. Obviously the only Gundam on here. I mean, can't really bring him much closer since it's like big and the camera is on a phone being held up. So this is one heavily detailed model. Let me just bring him up just a little bit close. A little bit closer. I mean, he has his... I'll just have to take him apart to show you just how detailed of a Gundam he is. Comes with this, his mega amazing gun pack. I'm gonna just flip this out for you guys. Comes with this mega amazing gun pack. Comes with my favorite, a bazooka, let's fix that there for a second, and an artillery thingamabobby. I don't know what kind of gun that is, but it comes with the bazooka, that, and that. Does he have one of those? No. Now his legs are standard, I'm gonna call these types of legs with battle skirts Zaku type legs. Zaku type torso. Okay, as you see, he has a Liberian sticker right there and right there. These pieces are able to move up a little bit. His front things are able to move. But I think I just might have messed up. Nope. Next is the body. And this is a heavily detailed part. Okay, this is the body. Just wait, okay. So, fully articulatable arms. The flaps right here move. The flaps right here move. Has these little guns right here. And missiles. No, I won't be able to flip this one down because when I was working on him, my little brother ran up to me and I sort of made him and he sort of pushed it, pretty much breaking that part, so I had to super glue it in. But it's really supposed to do this. But just keep it up. His head, you know it's a Gundam because it has a crest. Gundam-like features. He's a big model, actually, when he's fully complete. Let me just fix him back together here. I mean, pretty good size for the price. $50. Really, really good size. Let me just stick back on his pack for you guys. Now let me tell you, this is more of an intermediate level Gunpla just because of some of the parts. Problem I'd like to address here, he has like too much weight on his back, so I have to sort of pose him up against something for him to be able to stand. You see, like that. Balls. He's a very fragile model. Okay, guys. This has been another Gunpla review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. How am I gonna fix this? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This has been 8-Bits Hero, signing out. Oh, God.